Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he.
The earth at this time is palpitating. It's kind of a big word, but it's a medical term for malfunction right now. There's a palpitating going on. And the Lord spoke to my spirit and said, you see, the earth is a type of the heart. The earth is a type of the heart. I said, God, you got to tell me more. I don't want to look silly, Lord. The Lord said, move the H from the heart, from the beginning of the heart, and put it at the end. I'm going to tell you what God showed me tonight. I'm just telling you. I'm not telling you theology. God trying to inform me and open my mind. Move the H. I'm telling you, God told me in a couple seconds. Move the H from the heart and put it at the end. You get earth. And right now the earth is going through a period of palpitations, and a lot of things are about to go wrong. I heard the Lord saying, set your house in order.
The palpitations of the heart. And the earth is the heart. And when you have palpitations, you have irregular heartbeat. The earth is reeling and rocking like a drunkard. Isaiah 24 says the earth will be turned upside down. The noise will be heard in the heavens, and the noise from the pit